Bitcoin is more exciting than the fight between Mike Tyson and Jake Paul. We broke out of the symmetrical triangle. The price target is still at 97,000. But yesterday happened something crazy, because if we are zooming in here, we see we had the symmetrical triangle, which we also broke to the downside. It's very dangerous. We shouldn't break this support line. I show you in a second which one exactly. But the nice thing about it, we broke it down, but we saw even a bigger breakdown to 89,000. But now we have another chart pattern. If we are zooming a little bit more in, we're finding here an inverse head and shoulders. You see, this is the left shoulder. This is you know what I mean? And this is the right shoulder. I know it looks like a dick, but it's not. It's an inverse head and shoulders, so-called. And the beautiful part about it is that we broke it to the upside, as you see it here. You have exactly to connect the lines here like I'm doing. You see here, we had a retest, we had another retest, and here the third one we broke to the upside, and you measure it always from the top to the downside, and the price target is crazy and very important. But I tell you, first of all, here my trades, because this is why I'm sweating. I'm still $3.3 million long. Some of them getting nice profits, like up to 36,000 in profits, injected $14,000 in profits, and some of them here $7,000 in profits, $10,000 in profits, but other ones also still massive loss, $20,000 in a loss, or here another position 92, so almost $100,000 in a loss. This is why I'm sweating, really. But the nice part and the craziest part is, this is the Bitcoin dominance chart, not Bitcoin dominance, the total crypto market cap chart. We are exactly at our all-time high from 2020, as you see it here, and we are almost broken to the upside. So tomorrow is Monday, but maybe will we break it tomorrow or today? Clearly above our previous all-time high. It means we would see a huge rally of Bitcoin and altcoins, and we have another indicator which is telling us that we will have a crazy altcoin season right now coming. Really, it's in front of our doors. You see here, we got rejected here. We see 60% Bitcoin dominance, so 60% of this $3 trillion market crypto cap is right now by Bitcoin leading. But as soon as we see it dumping, as soon as we see we're breaking 57%, then we should see Bitcoin dominance dropping to 40%. So it means 40% of the total crypto market cap would be in Bitcoin, but 60% would shift into altcoins. This is also always what usually happens. First Bitcoin pumping, and then all the money is moving into altcoins, which would be very extremely nice for my altcoin trades. And I know a lot of you are trading also altcoins, and this is amazing for our altcoins. And by the way, on Bybit and Bitget, you get up to $30,000 or $8,000 bonus, and you get a very nice welcome bonus for $150 if you register through my affiliate link and you support this channel to keep it absolutely ad-free. I'm not shilling any shit coins. I'm not paid by any projects. I'm not even paid by these exchanges. I only get a small percentage of the trading fee which you're trading, which you have to pay anyways to the exchange. So if you want, you have to support it, but anyways, I will do it for you, even if you use other options. So again, now the nice thing is we are getting rejected. You see Bitcoin dominance is dropping, altcoins starting to pumping, some of them pumping very well, as I showed you. For example, Aptos, I'm already here 18% in profit for $36,000 profits. It's nice. So what is right now nice about Bitcoin? That we broke this head and shoulders to the upside. You measure from the top to the downside, and you see the price target would be here $92,000. This is amazing. Why it's amazing, I explain you exactly, because I'm changing here the color so you're not getting confused. I'm changing this color because this again another pattern. So we have here three patterns. The most important pattern is the big one. The price target is still in play around $97,000, which is extremely nice. We had this danger of the symmetrical triangle. We broke it to the downside. We broke even lower to $89,000. So we hit our price target. If you shorted here, it was amazing. I would never suggest to short right now because it's very dangerous, but you could have 1% make profits or 1.8% profits. But I wouldn't suggest this. On 10x it's even 18%, but please, I would never suggest it to do because it's very, very dangerous. I'm also not shorting, I'm longing. But why is the price tag $92,000 very important for us? Because in case it will work out, I'm zooming in again, it means we broke the first support or first resistance. I extend right now here the symmetrical triangle. I extend the lines. You see here, we had here the resistance 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and you see we broke it clearly to the upside, and right now we are heading for retest. You see, we are heading for retest of the previous resistance line, and we should hold this. If we break again below and closing below this 15 minutes, this would be very bad, so watch out for this. But the danger is not over. The second danger would be if we're extending the previous support of the symmetrical triangle. You see here we had 1 support, 2 support, 3 support, 4 we broke down, but it would turn into resistance here at approximately 91,700. But with our price target of this inverse head and shoulders, should we break it to the upside, because 92,300 is our price target. So according to the inverse head and shoulders, we should break also this resistance line. So it means we should, according to this inverse head and shoulders, break resistance line 1 and resistance line 2, which would make our way again free to our big price target of the symmetrical triangle at $97,000. However, just watch out, please, because tomorrow we have Monday. On Monday, usually the institutions opening, the stock market opening, it's getting very volatile. This could be positive for us because we could see straight pump to 97K in case we don't see it today. But it could be also very dangerous for us in case we see the institutions start to sell and we see massive breakdown of the Bitcoin price down to our support, which would be here at around $89,000. Or in worst case, we're breaking down, we're moving to $80,000. So watch out for this. I will do another video in the evening, so make sure you subscribe and you're not missing out on this very important price updates, because right now is the time to make money. And this is why my eyes are hurting almost, because I'm sitting here, not almost, they're hurting because I'm sitting almost 24 hours on the charts. I have the alerts on. If when I am with my kids, I'm running to my phone and checking the price, and this is why I'm doing right now 2 times a day videos for you. Thank you everyone for watching. Kiss you and see you later. Mwah.